In this video, we will try to address the following question to do a mask change on CIs that have been scanned by a QR or barcode, add them to a list, and then do a change for a certain field, for example, the site or the location. To do so, what I have done here is created a new table, and the table contains a reference to a CI, to the user that will scan the barcode or the QR, and a reference to a change request. In a production, in a real life world, you probably want to integrate this with a change. For now it will stay empty because it's just a proof of concept. So I'll go to the list of configuration items. Here are a few Windows servers, and let's select 5 and then create QRs. The QRs is also a project that I have published a while back on GitHub. And now I will open the mobile app, and when I tap Add CI in the asset tag, now it will open the camera. Done and submit. So now the first item is added to the list. After the first one is added, I could also use this swipe action. Open the camera again and scan the second one. Doesn't really matter which one I pick in the item or in the swipe action. Number 3, and let's add one more. This is the last one. So now I have 4 items that I want to perform a change on or an update. And now when I tap update location, you see some are now in Rome and one in Texas. I can go to, I just pick one. Let's move them to the other side of the world, to Sydney. Tap submit. And now you see these 4 items are in Sydney. And that should also be reflected when I refresh here, that the 4 that I have scanned and selected are now in Sydney. And when I say the most of them have a state of installed now, when I want to update status and say, oh, let me say installed, or let me pending install all, submit. And now they are all in pending install, and when I refresh here, all the ones that were selected have the state pending install now. When I would want to do another action, I could also do a left swipe and remove this one from the list already. And when I'm finished, I can do finish change. But let me pause for one moment. When I go back to the platform, you see the 4 items I'm working on now are still in this table. This is kind of a helper table, and when I say finish change, they will be deleted. Again, this is the proof of concept. Maybe in a real life scenario you would want to keep them and do something with a state active, or something more with a bit more governance around it. But for now it will just delete them. So when I go to the last tab here, you will see that I have the application. The application I've just demonstrated is the SM mobile mask chains available on my GitHub. And also the application to generate QR codes is available on GitHub as well. So here is everything in Studio. I won't go into it right now, but it's pretty straightforward to get things working. Thank you.